1 year sa kinder, 6 years sa elementary, 6 years sa high school, 4 years sa college. Total, 18 years na pag-aaral. Nag-apply ka ng trabaho dahil tapos ka ng mag-aral. Requirements, diploma, TOR, resume, in situ or in C3, barangay clearance, police clearance, NBI clearance, birth certificate, valid IDs, medical certificate, drug test, SSS number, PhilHealth number, Pag-ibig number, BIR number, work experience, at dapat ikaw ay with pleasing personality. Pero ang sahod mo, 500 pesos per day. Only in the Philippines.
Oh my God! It's new!